Want to speak Japanese? Today we're learning 20 essential words through a fun quiz. Which Japanese word means apple? A. Banana. B. Ringo. C. Momo. B. Ringo. The standard Japanese word for apple. Ringo. Which fruit is ichigo? A. Strawberry. B. Orange. C. Grape. A. Strawberry. A very popular fruit in Japan, especially in winter. Ichigo.
How do you say watermelon? A. Nashi. B. Kaki. C. Suika.
C. Suika. Written in katakana or hiragana, a classic summer treat. Suika.
What is mikan? A. Lemon. B. Mandarin orange. C. Peach.
B. Mandarin orange, specifically the small, easy-to-peel oranges found in Japan. Miken.
Which word means grape? A. Budo. B. Maron. C. Sakurambo.
Budo. Japan has famous for high-quality sweet grapes. Budo. What is the Japanese word for dog? A. Neko. B. Inu. C. Uma. B. Inu. Think of the famous Shiba Inu or Akita Inu breeds. Inu. Which animal is Osagi? A. Lion. B. Rabbit. C. Snake. B. Rabbit. Often used in Japanese folklore about the moon. Usagi. How do you say cat? A. Neko. B. Kuma. C. Saru. Neko, the word for cat, very popular in Japanese pop culture. Neko. Which word means bear? A. Kuma. B. Tora. C. Buta. A. Kuma. You will see this word often on warning signs in Japanese mountains. Kuma. How do you say, excuse me? A. Sumimasen. B. Arigatou. C. Douzo. A. Sumimasen. The magic word to start any conversation in Japan. Sumimasen. How do you say, please give me this? A. Doko desu ka? B. いらっしゃいませ. C. これをください. C. これをください. The most polite way to tell a clerk you want to buy something. これをください. どこですか asks for A. Location. Where? B. Price. How much? C. Color. Doko. Where? We'll use this with a place or item to find where it is located. What does a clerk say when you enter? A. Sayonara. B. いらっしゃいませ. C. お願いします.
B.
Irashaimase. The standard greeting shouted to customers entering a store. Irashaimase.
What color is kuro? A. Green. B. Yellow. C. Black. C. Kuro. The standard word for the color black. Kuro. How do you say thank you? A. Arigatou. B. Gomennasai. C. Ohayo. Arigatou. The most common way to show appreciation. Arigatou. What was your school? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Arigato.